Hello guys, welcome to Elite Minds, and in today's video I will show you guys how to interact successfully with the Primex Finance Testnet. Okay, this is a potential airdrop, so guys, take action, don't sleep on it. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, as we all know, make sure you have MetaMask Chrome extension on your device, and once you've done that, you head over to primex.finance. Once you're on the website, you head over to launch and it will take you directly to this page. Okay, so once you're on this page, you have to copy your wallet address. Click on copy, and you have to head over to rinkybuy.faucet, this rinkybuy.faucet, and you create a wallet. This is how you do it. You head over here, you head over to this place, you log in, create your account, and you paste your wallet address here, and the test token will be sent directly to your wallet. So once it has been sent to your wallet, come back to this page and you click on tokens faucet. So once you click on token faucet, you have to click on mints for these 4 tokens here. You have to click for ETH, BTC, USD, and Chainlink. Okay, you have to click on mint, and you confirm transaction in your MetaMask. So once you're done with that, the next step is to head over to lend. You click on buckets. Okay, and you scroll down and you head over to deposit for BTC. So you can see here we have 0.5 BTC, so I'm going to just impute 0.3 or 0.4 BTC, and I'll click on deposit. Then I'll confirm transaction in my MetaMask. Okay, I'll scroll down and confirm. So that's it. So I successfully deposited 0.4 BTC to my wallet. Alright, so that is it. I have to also confirm again. Okay, so I've successfully confirmed this transaction. So 0.4 BTC has been added to my wallet, so we'll just have to wait for it to confirm. So we'll go over to the next step. Okay, but for the sake of this video, I'll just be doing Primex and Primex USDC, Primex BTC. Okay, I'll just be doing for these two. So while doing yours, you can complete the rest. As you can see, 0.4 BTC has been added. Alright, so you can easily withdraw or deposit. I've done for USDC before now, so let me just do for WETH, that is ETH. So as you can see, I have 8 ETH, so I can decide to put 7 or 5 or 6, as the case may be, depends on you. And I deposit. So once I deposit, I'll still do the same thing by confirming transactions in my MetaMask. So confirm transaction in your MetaMask, and 7 ETH will be added to your wallet. Alright, so the goal is to make sure you interact with everything on this testnet. Interact with everything. Okay, so you'll be eligible for the airdrop. Quite easy. So you still do the same thing and you confirm transaction in your MetaMask, and 7 ETH will be added to your wallet. Alright, so that is it. So we have to now try withdrawal. Okay, we have to try withdrawal to see how it works after we've deposited. So we have to withdraw also to see how it works. Then we'll head over to the margin to trade. So once we're done with that, that is it. So let's just wait for this to confirm. Alright, so this is it. 7 ETH has been added to our wallet. So what we have to do now is to click on withdraw for USDC. You can say I have 6,000 USDC. So if I want to withdraw, I can decide to withdraw all, and click on withdraw. Then I confirm transaction also in my MetaMask. I click on confirm, and transaction will be confirmed in my MetaMask that it has been withdrawn. So this is it. Yes, so we successfully withdraw 6,000 USDC. So you have to do the same for BTC. You can withdraw, max, and withdraw. Confirm transaction in your MetaMask. Alright, so that is it for BTC. So the next one I have to do is for ETH. So what we are basically doing here is just to interact with the project, just to interact. So we'll be eligible for the airdrop. Alright, 0.4 has been added. So successfully withdraw 0.4. So ETH is next. Click on max and withdraw, and you confirm transaction in your MetaMask. Confirm. Okay, so we are done with the withdrawal. That means we've done deposit and withdrawal. So the next thing we have to do is to head over to margin. All right, just head over to margin. So scroll up, and this is it. Head over to trade, click on margin trading. Okay, so what we just have to do is to just trade, set your leverage, input the amount you want to risk, and click on update and open your position. Then click confirm transaction in MetaMask. That is it. So for this we're using 4.25 leverage. Okay, so you can see you can reduce your leverage, you can increase also. All right, so this is it. So markets, we are using BTC, so we are buying BTC. So that's what we're doing. And amount we want to use, let's say 0.1. Okay, that's what we want to use to trade. So scroll down and you open position. So it's calculating. So once it's done calculating, then we click on open position. Alright, so open position and confirm transaction in our MetaMask. Okay, confirm transaction. Okay, so successfully do it. So that is just it. Alright, so this is it. We confirm transaction, and that is it. So you can also do the same for the other test tokens, that is ETH. You can also do it for ETH. Alright, so you successfully open a position for this. You can see you successfully open a position. So it's quite easy, guys. Just interact. That's what you have to do. You just have to interact on this platform. So you can check them out on Twitter, Prime_protocol, for more information, guys. Okay, so that's just it. So I'll see you guys in the next video, guys.